Hey kids, it's Mrs. Compton, and today we're going to talk about what if they give you some of the information, but not all of it, which, happens all the time, right? So today we're going to talk about area, which remember is the inside measurement of a flat object, area with a missing side length. Okay, so they have given you the base of this figure. So they say, all right, we've got 9 feet along the side. So you could draw in 9 lines going this way, right? But we want to think about this as efficiently as we can. So for me, I don't really want to draw in all 9 lines and try to make 54 squares. That seems like a nightmare to me. Maybe you want to do it. I don't know. All right, so I know that this rectangle here has 54 square feet inside. And I know that the base is 9 feet. And I have to figure out the height. Because remember, area equals base times height. So you might say that B times H, that's base times height. You can also say length times width. It means the same thing, right? All right, so how are you going to figure this out? What will you do? So everybody take a moment to think. All right. Let's figure this out together. So if you know your multiplication facts, you might know 9 times whatever number makes 54. I still use 10 to help myself out. So 10 times what would be about 50 or 60? Well, I know that would be 6. So I'm going to start with that guess there, right? So 6. So is 9 times 6 54? And we got it. It is. So again, you could draw 9 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And put in 6. I'm using my multiplication facts to help me. So 3 times 2 is 6. So I'm going to put 3 first and then separate them all. And I would literally have 54 feet squared. Or, remember how we write that? There's a special symbol. So the area of this would be 54 feet squared, like that, right? So you can see the squares are still there, but sometimes you're going to get a figure and there won't be any squares. So as we progress in difficulty, the squares are going to go away and you're going to have to figure out how to find missing side lengths, and it can get pretty complicated. But remember, we're stretching our brains. We hope for a challenge, right? Okay, guys, so what will happen to you? What will your brain do when you get one and you have to figure out a missing side length? Let's try another one. All right, I'm thinking, how about this? Let's go 9 feet. And let's go the area. I'm going to give you a harder one. All right, the area is, I'm going to put A equals. Okay, so we have to figure out this missing side length. What will you do? Okay, kids, tell me, is this going to be more or less than 10 feet? All right, so you're probably telling me it has to be more because 9 times 10 would be 90, right? What's 9 times 11? 99. And 9 times 12 would be your answer here, right? So we know that the missing side length would be 12 feet because the area is 9 times, we had to figure out that piece right there, 12 would make 108 feet squared. All right, kids, go talk to your teachers and see what they want you to do today. I'll see you next time. Bye.